Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Meta AI app step by step. Whether you want to chat, generate images, or use it on Instagram, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. First, head to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Meta AI. Tap Install and wait for the download to finish. Step 2. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Facebook, Instagram, or Meta account. It's quick and easy. Step 3. Now you're in. Tap the chat button and type anything. Ask a question, request a recommendation, or just say hello. Meta AI responds instantly with helpful answers. Step 4. You can also generate AI images. Just type something like a futuristic city at night, and Meta AI will create it for you in seconds. Step 5. Meta AI is also available inside Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. On Instagram, go to your DMs and tap Meta AI to start chatting directly from the app. And that's how to use the Meta AI app. If this video helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tech tutorials. See you next time!